What's up, guys? Sorry, I had to fix that situation. But, as you can see, I got the heater tape screws out. And, Travis and shit. And I'm taking the heater thing off. Tape. So, hopefully, it'll be alright. But, here we go, see? As you can see, there's a screw there. I didn't take it out because I didn't want to damage anything in the thing. But I took my glasses off because they were trying to fall off my face. And I was like, just fuck it. I'm just gonna take it out. But yeah, I am taking this off. This might be on. I think the name of this video is how to replace this. I guess you can just cut this thing off, I guess. I mean, I'll have to look at the video again where you cut it, but, right now, I'm about to take this off, but I need to scrape this glue off. I don't want to cut this off just yet, because there's some pieces I need off of it, but I don't know where to cut it right now. So, I'm just gonna be careful and move. Oh, that's the main part. Oopsies, I thought it was tape. But yeah, I'm trying to scrape all this glue. It's more difficult than they say. Use the flat, like the tool they gave you, but I say no, I'm not. I'm not going to use it, because it costs money to do that, and I don't have the money right now, like I said in my last video. But yeah, sorry about the noise. It's upstairs with my little sisters and stuff, because I reviewed my videos, and it's quite embarrassing, because I checked it up on my phone, and I was like, oh my god, this is quite embarrassing that my little sisters are in my, like, laughing and playing in my videos. But, see the tape coming off. Look how sexy and clean that look is. It's not, it's going better than I thought it would. I actually thought, because I forgot about the video, because I haven't done this in a while. I was like, oh, let's just do it, because I'm fixing my friend's phone. But I thought this was this. I was like, oh no, but it actually wasn't. So, because I'm just stupid like that. Don't judge me. And just basically, I'll upload this video. I'll probably have about this video. This one's probably the last one. But if it runs out of time on my phone, I'm very sorry if I'm like straight into talking. But I'll try to delete some things. I'll try to upload it. But okay, it's starting to come off now. Really good. Every time I hit an edge. Oh, there it goes. Look at that. I'm so happy. But after this process right here, as you see my effed up screen, my effed up screen, it's really bad. I was like, man, and he ripped the antenna. I was like, what? That's probably nothing, but it actually was. It was the antenna, so I can't get no Wi-Fi. I was like, man, I just restored this thing, took everything off yours, reset this whole iPod, and now I got to fix it. And because there's no game or nothing on it. But before you do this, I just reviewed it, and it was off anyways because it was dead, because I used it. Trying to figure out how I get all this off. But yeah, probably 1 or 2 videos of these, maybe probably more. Seems pretty good. It looks like I scraped some of the stuff off, but that's alright. I know my audio sucks, it's just on my phone, but god dang it, Bobby, get this stupid freaking glue crap, god dang it, it's sticking to me. But, I might seem weird, but I don't care what people say, honestly. And you might see this college shirt, and don't call me a freaking nerd or anything. I like to play games, but, I mean, I just got this on my birthday, so, I mean, last year's birthday, I should say, because I already got my birthday, and I got my car, finally, Jesus. Got subs with it, not happier than crap, as all teenagers would be, which I am 16, you know, but, yeah, I am just doing this right here. I might make one more video, like part 3, because this is part 2, add another video to this, as you can tell, but I am trying my very best to keep this short and interesting. As you can see, I'm freaking having trouble with all this scraping. I don't want to ruin this iPod, because I'm probably really not supposed to be doing this, but I'm doing it anyway because I'm bored. And I am a freaking man. I mean, I can just do whatever.